is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're in the garage here doing a quick cold start on a pretty chilly day here in Georgia. And just want to let you guys know real fast before I do the cold start, I just dropped my new merch, my new hats, my new t-shirts, Barber CVO and across the front chest, and in the back it will say in the building. I am currently wearing the old hats, but the new ones are going to be almost exactly the same. It will say Barber CVO and in the building in the back. I'm going to post it right here so you guys can see the hat, how it's going to look. And I'm also going to post the front t-shirt right here as well, and also the back of the t-shirt, so you guys can get an example of what's it going to look like. I'm also going to post the website right here where you could get the actual merch. It's also on my Instagram, on my bio, on Barber CVO 19. Make sure you cop the merch. It's brand new. It's up and going right now. It would definitely help the channel out. It will grow my channel as well. I will have some merch on a few, not too much, but a few when I go down to Daytona. Stickers are also on the works. Also, I will have those in Daytona with me as well. And but yeah, definitely check out the website. Like I said, it's gonna be right here. And go on and purchase your new hats, sweaters, t-shirts, anything you need, they got it right there. All right, let's move on to the cold start. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna do a cold start. Here we go.